Welcome to the 93 Midwest Eats. We got them chicken sandwiches on them buns. Oh yeah. Yeah, they smell real good, man. I'm gonna go get some more of this. It's like some chicken that come in there like the can. It's so good, y'all. It got me stirring. Man, yeah, man. That John Morant stuff is that's in cause for, man. I did a reaction on the 93 Midwest Sports Talk. Y'all go check that out. That's crazy. Y'all go check it out. I ain't gonna talk about it over here. Just go over there and check it out. These sandwiches are so good. I should have put some extra mayonnaise on it. It's the mustard and relish. I need something to drink. These not dry, but I still need something to drink. I get something to drink. Feeling good, looking good. I gotta get something done to my head. These some big, nice buns. I ain't never had no buns like these. I can't even eat the other one. This got me full. Y'all comment down below if y'all like chicken sandwiches. It look like tuna, like chicken tuna. So good. I gotta give me some more white t-shirts, y'all. I gotta give me some more. I'm running out. I got a lot of them, but I watch them, but I need some fresh out the pack boys, them 2023 boys. I appreciate all the love y'all been showing me, all the beautiful comments. Just for y'all watching me. Y'all are family. Y'all not supportive. And y'all enjoy the day and stay tuned.